Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to create a PayPal account. To begin, navigate to the official PayPal website using your web browser or download the PayPal mobile application from your smartphone's app store. Once there, locate and click the Sign Up button to initiate the registration. You will then be prompted to select your account type, either a personal account for individual transactions or a business account if you plan to send and receive payments for goods and services. Make your selection carefully to proceed. Next, you will need to input your personal details. This includes your full legal name, a valid email address that you regularly access, and a robust password. Ensure your password combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. You will also be asked to provide your mobile phone number for verification purposes, which adds an extra layer of security. Finally, review PayPal's user agreement and privacy policy, then accept them to move forward with your account creation. Now it's time to link a financial instrument to your new PayPal account. You have two primary options: linking a bank account or a debit or credit card. If you choose a bank account, you will need to provide your bank's 9-digit routing number and your personal account number. For card linking, enter the 16-digit card number, its expiration date, and the 3- or 4-digit security code found on the back or front. PayPal will then send 1 or 2 small deposits, or charges, to verify ownership of your chosen funding source. The final steps involve verifying your linked financial instrument and your email address. For your bank or card, check your statement for the 1 or 2 small deposits or charges from PayPal, then enter these exact amounts into your PayPal account to confirm. Simultaneously, open your email inbox and click the verification link sent by PayPal to activate your email address. With these steps completed, your PayPal account is fully active and ready for use. You can now confidently send and receive money, shop online, and manage your digital finances.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.